Fucking hell! Fuck off! Get out of here! Get out of here! Get it up my fucking... Ready to go catch the plane?
We'll send you pictures every day.
See you later, Dan!
See you later, enjoy guys!
So, there's that stupid song, isn't there? Jess Glynn sings for Jet 2. I feel like we should do the TikTok where we do it, but we're not going to do that. So we're going to get rid of these bags and then we'll be on his way. 2 o'clock, gate information. So, I'm going to buy some different sunglasses. What do you think of these ones, Dan? Different? We'll go for these ones, I think. What? Now everybody knows it's not holiday until you've got your airport pint, so we're going to go Guinness. Alfie, what are you having drink, mate?
Coke.
Coke? You're not? J2O. What are you having drink, Mads? Orange juice. Yeah, okay. Babe, what are you having? It's time.
See the Greece Island.
So the most important thing I have to do on every holiday is in the morning. It is my job as the man of the trip is to do the recce. The recce involves going to find a coffee in the morning while everybody else still sleeps inside the hotel room, because of course I get up at the flipping arse crack of dawn. Where am I going to find a coffee around here? Right, so we have a little surprise in store for the kids. The kids don't know it yet, but their cousins are here, so I'm about to go meet them and see what they think.
Nice. Are you ready?
Are you taking out the big bag?
Come with him.
Alfie? Sammy? What are you doing? How are you here? We're just going. Come on, let's go to the pool.
Matt, is it good? So I believe there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to give them a go. See if they're any good. Woohoo! I thought it'd be a bit faster. I'm not going to lie. But here we go. Wake you up in the morning. You look after, I'll be back up for them. Fucking nick them. Don't tell me what to do, motherfucker. So we'll find a pint of Guinness then in Greece. It's in a can.
If you get this in your mouth, I will get you a squirrel treat.
I thought you were going to say you put something else inside your mouth. Never mind.
You wish one.
You could be there for watch. Ready? Watch. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on.
6 to 4 and
Hang on.
like
Didn't like nuts.
Make like a little video, do like a dance. That's nice. Okay, that's good. Is that the end? My turn. And now just say something into the screen. What? Okay.
Do a dance, Alfie. Do a dance. Another gorgeous day again today, but one thing I've done is I've burnt myself. I put this stupid oil on what Emma bought me, and I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but that is how sore I am, and my back is the same. So today we'll be t-shirt on most of the day. Kids all ready to go. Emma's ready to go, she's just on the toilet. We're gonna go outside today and get some breakfast from outside the hotel. But first we'll take the kids to the all-inclusive. So they just have the cereal and bits, and then no doubt they'll have some.
It's time to go for breakfast. And now, let's see how Dad is walking with his sore leg and has a sunburn. And this is Dad's sunburn. A goo-goo gaga.
The food, but because you came all together,
Yeah,
I'll
you're
go
okay.
right away to bring you the drinks.
Don't worry.
You know the more.
Thank you very much.
It's a pleasure. And some butter also, and some for the toasties, okay?
Yeah, brilliant.
Lovely.
Pancake.
Hash brown beans, it's the only other thing we need.
Anything else you may need, my name is Michael. You just shout it from here, Michael, and I'm coming to the
Okay.
kitchen.
Just the hash brown beans, Michael.
Yes, I know. 1 second, and once it's ready,
Sure.
I'll bring it. Okay, I
Alright,
just want to bring
thank
you this one.
Yeah, no problem, thank you.
So it don't be cold.
What I say?
Right, my toast isn't toasted. My sausage looks like an anorexic penis.
Anything else? Here you go.
Want any more pancake before we leave?
What about a
Right,
drink?
let's wipe your mouth because you're just walking around. Not towel will be fake.
Yum yum. Not
Mads,
a
you're going to have a
best
drink before we
chocolate.
go.
Where's his t-shirt?
Okay, we're going to get some ice cream.
Start it up, Alfie.
Half a pint of cream. Alfie, what is
Oh, doggy. Hello, doggy. Come on, then. Oh, doggy. Oh, doggy.
you do if it's got fleas?
Yeah, but please, it's actually got really soft fur.
Yes.
Hello, doggy. There you go. Leave the doggy alone now. Let's leave the doggy alone in case he gets vicious.
Oh,
Another trip to the shop. Alfie, how many euros did you spend?
3.
€3. And now, how do you feel about that?
Really happy because I got sweets.
You're funny. So scandalous. You put your coin in here and it doesn't give you the ball. They're all just broken. Don't waste your money on these, man. Terrible. I don't know, mate, but they're all broken. I wouldn't bother. So tonight we are going to go to the Italian restaurant on site, but one thing I do want to mention, not that, it's that. For some reason, it's intermittent whether you get hot water. Me and the wife have just had a shower and now we're both suffering from hypothermia. Be careful. Are you going to eat all your dinner tonight?
Maybe a little.
Matt, you going to eat all your dinner?
Yeah.
Emma, will you eat all your dinner?
Yeah. All.
See the ant attack. They're eating a bit of. Dude. Yeah. On today's epic adventure, we are going to find the turtles at Turtle Beach in Zante. Today's video was featuring Emmanuel Brammer. So we just bought the photos from last night, and then the €42, but then the woman goes, you can have digital copy as well for €10. I'm like, no, we don't need that. Muggins here was like, do I need a free Facebook? No, you
I said
don't.
no, thank you.
Yeah, but after about 5 minutes of hesitation. Oh, look, a wheelie bin. A wheelie bin. Stop. Emma's fuming. Why are you fuming, Em?
I want to see the turtle.
She's seen one. A little head. Turtle's head. All of a sudden, he's put his foot down and I'm shitting himself. Are you okay, Alfie? You look a bit green. he is, or on his boat on his own. You see him? It's this little man on his boat, on his wands, he's living his best life. You can hire boats, I think, can't you? Like little boats. Should we get one? Later on, me and you.
Good boy, Alfie. You okay?
What does that belong to? Who's been having that poo? What animals had that poo? Over there. Definitely did. I've never been here before. So nobody's ever been. Well, people have been here, but you're not allowed to live on this island. It's illegal. Huh? Is that what it's called? It's called Turtle Island. Is that what it's called? You got your Crocs on now. Good idea, innit? Put your Crocs on. Let's go sweat, Alfie. Come on, son. Like, look, been there a while, and 2020, nearly 3 years, and that's just not moved. I'm gonna give it a new place, a new home. I think I'm gonna put it right there. So if that's your rock and you left that on the beach, I've now moved your rock. Unfortunate for you, but I've done it. Fucking hell! Fuck off! Get out of here! Get out of here! I'm getting tapped by fucking. Get out! I'm getting tapped by fucking seagulls. Let's go. Shit! Oh, they're trying to attack me! Trying to attack me! Yeah, absolutely no turtles out there. We didn't see a single one. No turtles, mate. No, none.